It's easy to hide or stop ads on Facebook. When you open your Facebook application, all you have to do is just go to settings and privacy. You can click settings again. So this page will open up. You could click add preferences over here. Then you can scroll down. Then you click add preferences yet again. So when this page opens up, it's going to show you the ads that you've been watching. Alright, so the advertisers that can actually send ads to your Facebook account. All you have to do is to remove them or you hide them. So I'm going to click on this first one. Then scroll down. Then I'm going to click hide ads here. See, you will not see ads from this advertiser. So you can as well do the same thing to all of them if you don't want to keep seeing their ads.